Basically, this is a Sanino White, but this is with sweater and Boston blood. Now we call it the Escolin White. Fighting style, very accurate, then fit out. Good cutting ability. Itong Escolin White namin, always sold out ito. Ang mga buyers namin ay tuwan-tuwa dito. Very spectacular kung manalo. Ito, no, Escolin White. Always yellow leg din. But may lumalabas din sa kanilang straight comb, no? Pero mas marami ang P-comb. So pag P-comb, ganyan din ang palong, nakatayo. Which is came from the Boston Roundhead na ganyan ang mga comb. Yung tuka nila, dilaw din ang paa. So yung station, I always breed, medium to high. Hindi ako nagbe-breed ng super high. So, ayan yung paa, maninipis.